Hello and welcome to the demonstration of the MERIT Learning Factory at Taltech. In this video, we present the integration of the MiR100 mobile robot into our smart production line. The mobile robot is an important tool for teaching and research, as it allows students to experience firsthand how modern factories operate. The robot can transport materials across the line, avoiding obstacles and interacting with other devices in real time. In our setup, the MiR100 is connected with sensors and control systems, which makes it an excellent case for exploring Internet of Things applications. Students can study how data flows between the robot and the production line and how this data can be used for smarter logistics. Another important aspect is cybersecurity. Mobile robots are part of a critical infrastructure. So we demonstrate how secure communication and the protection of robot operations can be ensured in a connected environment. The MiR100 also showcases the role of artificial intelligence in modern robotics. Its navigation, obstacle avoidance and decision-making rely on AI-driven algorithms, which adapt dynamically to the environment. An additional benefit is the possibility for remote operations. The system can be monitored and controlled from the distance, which opens opportunities for cross-border collaboration, remote training and virtual labs. By combining robotics, IoT, cybersecurity and AI, the MERIT Learning Factory provides students with practical hands-on experience and prepares them for the future of digital manufacturing. Thank you for watching and welcome to explore more with MERIT Taltech.